Welcome to Living the Dream Garage. It's Saturday afternoon in South Central Georgia, and we have a little bit of a different deal. We're going to take everybody on a road trip, kind of like a field trip, I guess. We got to go to North Georgia, McDonough, I believe it is. And we're going up to Summit Racing Parts Store, and got to pick up some stuff for the machine shop next door. And we're going to take you along with us and see what happens. Thank you, and hang out with us. Thank you. Like I said, everyone, me and my youngest son Brandon, and one of my dog Cash, my road dog. We have to make a trip up to North Georgia, to McDonough, to the Summit Parts Store, Summit Racing Parts Store. Kind of a mission from God deal. It's got to get done for the machine shop, and we were just going to take you along a little bit. This is part of the 10-mile trip to our hometown. We're that far out of town. Some of you may be in the same predicament. It's not really a predicament. We prefer it that way, but it's a cool little town, Ryan, Georgia. And they have, it's just basically one red light, one little bank, and one little convenience store, and one little pharmacy. Oh, and a tavern. So it's really cool. It's a cool, quiet place. This whole area is everything. It's just beautiful out here. This is, as you can see, like a lot of you got, everybody, a lot of you is living out in God's country. Well, we're all in God's country, but this is where we're at, and one of our routes, we're heading northwest right now towards, we're going to get on 75. We got it's a 45-minute trip to that area, to Cordele, and then we're going to head north towards Atlanta. And just me and old Tenderfoot and my main man Cash. My grandson, he chose not to ride with us, but that's okay. He's back at the house having fun playing. But yeah, we got to pick up some parts, and this is what our day will consist of. But it's part of the team, part of our deal. It's family, and it's our deal of living the dream. And we just want to take you along and enjoy. Thank you. Well, everyone, we've made it to town. We still have about an hour and a half of travel, 2 hours. This is our hometown, Ryan, Georgia. Proud to call it home. Absolutely proud to call it home. If you don't feel at home here when you talk to people and meet them and all these types of towns, these small towns anywhere, and if you can't feel at home here, you're just not going to feel at home anywhere. But this is a cool little place. They hold festivals for about every season. They've got their own Pond Town Festival. I'm not exactly sure what all that's about. I've not lived here long enough to get all that, but now we're heading out of town. You've seen the town. It's one red light. And we're heading out of town. And we're actually going towards Cordell, Georgia. First town we come through will be Abbeville. And then we'll go through Rochelle, Pitts, and then we'll be coming into Cordell to hit 75 and head north. But this road takes us all the way, and we hope to be able to film most of everything, piece by piece as we go. This is what we're doing today. Like I always say, this is what we're doing today. And if you stop by here and watch this, thank you. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because like I said last night, we're gonna have another live with the giveaways coming up. Hit your bell notification so you'll know. The more the merrier. And yeah, so we got some trucking to go, but we'll film some and when we get to Summit. Basically got to go that far to get some lifters. Nobody has them in stock, and I'm running this errand for my son. And it's like I said, that's part of living the dream. We're just helping each other. He's in a bind, and he's got to get them and got to get the motor done. And so we're on our way to do our part. Me and Brandon and my road dog Cash. But we're coming into Abbeville now, as you see the sign, and you'll see there on the corner DUI school. And actually, that may have been an old liquor store. How cool? How weird is that? Hey, you can find God anywhere. But yeah, this is us heading towards big cities. And like I said, thank you, and we'll keep in touch. All right, everyone, we're still on our mission from God. Still, we're pulling out of the Pilot truck stop. Got some fuel, gas, and a cup of coffee, something to snag on. And we're about to hit 75 north, and still heading towards McDonough. So we'll keep you informed. Thank you. And here we are, everyone. We're still on 75. We just took the Macon bypass, and we're on 75 heading towards going into Atlanta. Towards Atlanta, not into Atlanta. We're still on 75. Traffic's getting a little thicker now, but yeah, as usual, everything's under construction. Yeah, getting thick around here. Behind the camera, got my main man bunch of coffee, and you've seen the rest area stop. And that's what we're gonna be doing. We ain't resting, but we gotta stop. All right, everybody, we're still at it. We're coming into Locust Grove, Georgia, Hampton, Griffin area. We got some snow on the ground left over from last night and all, and the night before. It's pretty cool. Literally 37 degrees right here. And of course, I've never seen snow, but it's beautiful sitting on the side of the road like that. You can see it in the woods and all. It's pretty neat. It's all over the side of the road and all. And but yeah, we're not far from. We're heading towards Summit Racing to pick up some parts. And as you can see it, and I know a lot of people on our channel, everybody, they've seen it. They probably are living in it right now. I've not. And being a Florida boy, born, raised in Florida, and just moved up here, it's cool. But yeah, just me and Tenderfoot and Cash. Yeah, we'll sign back in, and we're about 8 miles from there. We'll sign back in at Summit Racing. Thank you. All right, everyone. We're fixing to pull into the Summit Racing, and it came a big snow here, like everybody knows about already. But like I said, I've never seen it, and it's so cool. But yeah, we're here, and we made it. And I've never been in this place here, and I'm probably it's gonna be hell for me to leave. But yeah, we'll let you know and get back with you in just a bit. Thank you. Okay. Well, let's see. We'll get parked. Head inside. All right, everyone. Yeah, I didn't exactly want to leave Summit. That was something in that place, and but we got what we needed, and we're on our way back, and it's still 36 degrees. Gonna get colder. And but this snow is it's unbelievable. It's beautiful. Like I said, I've never seen it, and it's pretty neat. And if you're watching this, thank you, and we appreciate it. And we're on 75 heading south this time. And if you haven't, please, if you want, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification again, because we're going to be there'll be a live with a giveaway coming up soon, hopefully within the next week and a half, maybe or so. Thank you, and everybody be safe, and